So it's probably not necessary up here since there's so many tens of thousands of Chinook coming up, but anytime that you're running plugs, you want everything to be precise. So I like to start out by cleaning them up, and this is a new soap here from Procure, but what I really like about it is that it actually cleans off all the sand. Doesn't take much, just a quick little rinse. Okay, now the next thing I do is I look at the eyelets. I make sure the eyelets are all straight on top. The eyelet on the bottom is straight as well, along the center line, and the eyelet on the butt. Everything needs to be perfectly lined up all the way to the front. Most people pay only attention to the screw eye up top, but you want to make sure everything is in line. What I like about it is that it'll just form almost like Play-Doh.
There's two things we do when we're plug fishing to these hooks to increase your hook up and land ratio with these Chinook. So the first is the hook is in line with the shank. The point is in line with the shank like this. So the first thing we do, we're going to offset it just a little bit. That increases the hook percentage when they bite. So you offset it just to the side, just a bit. They grab onto it, it's a little bit turned to the sideways, it rolls into their mouth better. So the second part is the actual eye of the hook. We're going to bend the eye right at the end inwards towards the point so that the pull point, when you're fighting the fish, keeps the point of the hook in their mouth better. If it's turned in, it keeps the pressure point on the hook turned in and it increases the landed fish. So